students of 11th Commerce. Today I am going to teach you first chapter of Business Study, chapter 1. Name of the chapter is Nature and Purpose of Business. This chapter starts with introduction of human activity. Introduction of human activities. Students, first of all, you should know that what is human activity and how many its types. So, human activities, all these activities which is performed by human being is called human activities. It is divided into two categories. First is economic activity. Economic activities, and second is non-economic activities. The next, you should know what is economic activities. So, all those human activities which is performed for earning profit or survival or of livelihood is called economic activity. For example, business. Any kind of business, either it is related to production activities or trading activities. Profession, just like doctor, advocate, and employment. And the second type of human activities is non-economic activities. Those human activities which is performed for personal satisfaction and not for earning profit is called non-economic activities. For example, worship in a temple, charity, donation, etc. are called non-economic activities. Students, sometimes the same activities is considered as both non-economic activities and economic activities. For example, when a doctor treated their patients, it is called economic activities. And when a doctor treats his family member, it is called non-economic activities. When a teacher teaching in a school, it is called economic activities. And when a teacher teaches his son or daughter, it is called non-economic activities. And next, economic activities is further divided into three categories. The first is business, the second is profession, and the third is employment. Here you can see that economic activities is further divided into three categories: business, profession, and employment. Now, what is business? Business is especially a type of economic activities which is performed for earning profit for people's livelihood. Next, profession. Profession is also a type of economic activities which require a special type of knowledge or skill. It is called profession. And next, employment. What is employment? Employment is also a type of economic activities in which people work for others and get remunerated for their work. This is called employment. And now in profession, term used. Professional. Professionals. Who are professionals? Means those people who are engaged in profession are called professionals. And in employment, two words are used. First, employee, and second, employer. Who are employee and who are employers? Students, the peoples who are engaged in employment are called employees, and those people who employ employees are called employers. And now you understand the concept of business, profession and employment. Next, types of business. How many types of business or business activities? Especially, business is categorized into two parts. The first is industry and the second is commerce. Now you can see that business is categorized into two parts. The first is industry and the second is commerce. What is industry and what is commerce? Students, industrial activities are those activities which are engaged in conversion of raw material into finished goods is called industrial activities. And what is commerce? In commerce, people engaged in trading activities, means a type of economic activities in which people engaged in only trading activities. It means कि in commerce there is no production of goods and services. In commerce only people trade goods and services, means only exchange of goods and services performed in commerce. And next, types of industry. How many types of industry? There are mainly three types of industry. The first is primary industry. The second is secondary industry. And the third is tertiary industry. Commerce is also divided into two parts. The first is trade and the second is auxiliaries to trade. So, students, types of industrial activities and types of commercial activities will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you students.